Magandang buhay! Halina't matuto kasama si Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Simulan na natin! Science, Grade 3, Term 1, Week 1, Day 4. Topics: describe natural events in their surroundings that can be explained by science, and identify the senses that were used for describing the activity or natural event. Learning competencies. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to: first, describe natural events in their surroundings, home, school, or community that can be explained by science. And second, identify the senses that were used for describing the activity or natural event. Do you know what natural events are? Have you experienced natural events? Natural event is a happening caused by nature and not by humans. Rain, water falls from the sky. Sunrise and sunset. The sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. Wind blowing. Air moves and makes things sway. Thunder and lightning. Bright flash and loud sound during a storm. Earthquake. The ground shakes. Volcano eruption. Hot lava comes out of a mountain. Flood. Water covers the ground after heavy rain. Rainbow. Colorful arc in the sky after rain. Clouds forming. White or gray shapes in the sky. Leaves falling. Leaves drop from trees, especially when it's windy or during certain seasons. You will be grouped into 4. Plan how you can act out natural events. You may use objects in the classroom as props. Some of you can pretend to be a natural force like wind, water, or ground. Work together and be creative in showing the natural event through your actions. Group task: Group 1, Summer. Group 2, Typhoon. Group 3, Earthquake. Group 4, Flood. Questions: 1. What is the natural event called? 2. Can you describe the natural event? What can you see, hear, feel, or smell? 3. What sense did you use to describe what you have observed? Was it easy or difficult to describe the natural events and their activities? 2. How did science help you in describing natural events? When we identify and describe natural events, we observe them. When we observe, we do science. We use the senses in describing natural events. How important are the senses in science? Observation is something we do with science. The senses allow us to observe. Making generalizations. 1. Why is it important to use our senses in describing natural events around us? It is important to use our senses because they help us understand and respond to what is happening around. 2. How is science present in identifying and describing natural events? When we identify and describe natural events, we observe them. When we observe, we do science. 3. How important are the senses in science? Observation is something we do in science. We use our senses to observe. Evaluating learning, write 3 sentences describing a natural event that was not covered earlier.